a video them.
I put it on YouTube.
In love sometimes.
Antoine see it on us laptop. You there on us laptop. You never hear me that call you when you that good on a mother yard. Good on your shop. Not us laptop.
Me can't I'm there, Robert Lightburn, there I sort out some paperwork. So, you know, me already. Family there, you know. Blacks around the corner there. You want the whole family there, but it's on time, man. Soon as we go on. This is hard, really hard life. Yeah, man, up and about. Really hard life. Yeah, man, up and about another day. Giving thanks to life as usual. Yeah, man, you know me already. One love, man. But this is how we do it, yard. Get up, get about, and we always do the right thing. Yeah, man. Some way we have to survive, you know? Without all of the animosity. Yeah, man. Sometimes we feel a lot of pain, but we still hold strong, you know? Yeah, man. Together we stand, divide and we fall. Come together as one. Palmer. They on the walk. Proper. Yeah, man, you know over there, man. They on the work, you know? Yeah, man. So I come catch there and put in the work, same speed. Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. A Palmer this, you know. Yeah, man, a real general in our place. He's a hard-working fella. Ever up and about and I do the right thing. Yeah, man, I'm there on my farm, you know. And I'm going to pick some ackee. Yeah, man. But you know where something go? I never shown around my farm yet. So, give it some time, man. And them look at something I go on. It's a blessing. Yeah, man, ackee the boat, all boat. Yeah, man. You must know. See, pine there, all boat. Food there, enough. You see, coffee there. You see, I can show now a coffee tree. Yeah, man. Coffee beans, them. Some of them are rotten off, but you know what go. If me have my own process, I'm gonna process them for myself, cause trust me, the process where I go through for pick them and then sell them and it makes sense, you know? Yeah, man, so that good if me coulda yeah, man, make my own coffee, but for now, I just go and plant and take care of the tree there. Yeah, man. Nah, kill the trees, you know? Yeah. Alright. So that whole pine sucker them I'll take it out probably later or one of them days. Yeah, man, I replace it with something fresh. Yeah, man, something look like this. Yeah, man, proper, you know. And this is a East Indian mango tree. Yeah, man, you know me ever a plant, man. Always a plant, you know. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. I may talk about right a backyard this. Yeah. Wow, them. Something ever dropped down in my place. Yeah, man. But you know me already. Ever up and about and I do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man. And we have a whole heap of food stuff there country. Yeah, man. This is a yellow coat plum. I want to say a special shout out to Sugar. Yeah, man. Blessings, daddy. I give thanks to his strength, you know. Long time I want one of them plum tree. Yeah, yeah, man. I finally reach yard. Yeah, man. Remember I cassava them. And I still have to give thanks to Sugar same way. Yeah, man. General give me them, you know. Free of cost. Nothing but love behind it. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. So stay strong, daddy. I'm there put in the work, you know. Yeah, man. And the thing them catch as you can see. I'm gonna flourish. Eat sometime when I time when I come back I yard make your food. Yeah, man, you know me already. Drop that banana sucker, yeah, I not see no forward from it, but still I go try. Huh? Oh yeah, man. Find not tear down, you know. You know it go up on my yard over there, huh? It's a blessing. But see there? Yeah. True. Yeah, man. Breadfruit tree enough. And the sun coming up. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Up and about my countryside. And I'm going to show you around. This is my yard. My backyard. Yeah, man, me there with banana. Yeah, man, I them man I water, man.
Yeah, for reservoir earlier, it's an orange, you know?
Alright,
See
see proper.
Natural, right back at reservoir.
Yeah, man, this is yard, man. Really hard life, you see me?
Real
Blessings, man.
No, no.
Anyway, go, brother. So, circle, boy. Yeah, man, up on about same way. As I tell you, we are go up the hill. And we have to stop and pay tributes to the elders, them, yeah? Not real life.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Alright, daddy, guidance, eh? Yeah, man, daddy, there for me go. I go do, you know? Yeah, man. So, I say, I go up a Shelly Castle. Because there's a view there, trust me, second to none. Yeah, man, just right around the corner there, sir.
Oh, Shelly Castle.
Me know, man. My community has been too much of a goal where I can't show it. Yeah, man, because despite of the ups and downs, the community nice, you know, man. Yeah, look all on them something. You know how much people want to have the opportunity can experience all of this. Eh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You know, say 3 foot head tall and then young, you know?
Then I used to it.
Yes.
I know you used to know nothing yet.
Which is why. So that's an excited calf, you know? So I'm willing to gallop right and know say journey tall. Yeah, man, so 1, 1, 2, 2. And that's why I like spending time with my elders, you know? Yeah, man, because you learn something valuable, daddy. Daily. My peers, them, more if you tell us, go kill off yourself. Yeah, man. Adrenaline pumping. Whew. Up the way I go, you know? Yo. Pass on him, big bamboo road. Know the energy. Yeah. Love yard, eh? No place like home. My backyard. Love it. It's a blessing. Real blessed animal, you know? Yeah, man. I'm done tell you already, you know? If you're a country now, one of them young here. Tell them, you know? Food kill you. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, see? Yeah, man. I later, sir. Yeah, I do that. See, man? Pretty, you know? A long time, I say. Eh? See?
They usually kill them, but you know, I'm cut up on.
Yeah.
I'm cut up on that one, I'm over.
Pretty, you know, man. Long time, I see one blue dog. Woo! It's a blessing. Pretty, you know, man. Look there, man. Whoa. Jano. Beautiful bird. You look tame though.
Yeah, man.
Tame bird, man.
But they're not clean though.
They're not clean?
They're sheep.
Oh.
And one with them called white belly.
Nasty.
Yeah, man, in them, you just shit in them. But they're not for them food.
Pretty, you know, man. Look there, man. Blue dove. It look like him a nest.
No, man. I feel him and look. You see all the mango I eat and that's the kernel.
Yeah.
And bust it out and eat out the heart of it.
Oh, okay.
So he feed. He feed one tree too, but
yeah.
Mango kernel and something.
Yeah. Mainly, we feed that ground more.
Yeah.
When you feed that trees, yeah. Nice. Nice bird, man.
My God, but you're 140.
Ooh.
When saying so once upon a time,
yeah. True. That's how it go on. Little daddy, little we are doing it, you know. Yeah, man, daddy, I got a bush, you know. And as you can see, I follow around. So just come with me. This is yard. that, man. See me out, I same thing nearly catch me last time, you know. Yes, sir. Me take the wrong turn.
Anyway, me not go with you.
Yeah.
Me go so.
On the left, yeah, go.
Yes, but I take that jug and walk around so full and come back round to Panini.
Oh, yeah, man. All right, Daddy. Anyway, go, man. Blessings, man, and stay strong, eh?
Every time.
Safe tradings.
Yeah.
Happy, you know, man. Yeah, very well, you know, fun enough. Yeah, man, up and about and I reach my destination. Yeah, man. Reach yard. Always there, yard. Yeah, what is a blessing. But this up the black one I plan to come build back, yeah, man. And put in the work, as I tell you. I do some work up a hilltop there. Yeah, man. Go get some time. Nothing short of progress, you know? Yeah, man. I'm there with the president of the Somerset Farmers Group. President, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Vernal, you know? Yeah, man. And I film the black, so, you know, once you rent, you have to check with your tenant, them, you know? Can't follow, yeah. It's a blessing, but I do the man. Yeah, man. And we always up and about and I do the right thing. Yeah, man. Nice. And what type of plum them I say again? Check. Governor plum. Yeah, man. Vernal said him. When I kind of dehydrated, you know. See if I can pop it so you see what I go on. Ooh. Yeah, man. This is how it look, you know. Sweet. Like and dip on him.
I mean, I use uncle because the dog take him and hold
him.
one. Well, the bone one, he run, come over back. So when we did that look now, then they say, see him back over that side there.
Yeah, that up on the right hand side of
us.
us.
There.
Yeah.
I'm come over there and tell the kitchen man, we're going to go in at the middle of the wash with the so again.
Yeah, because they never go at some spot where difficult.
Yeah, me I tell you so bad. When time me come down, it was a Tuesday. The Saturday me and Buddy go up there.
Yeah.
Me no see him. Me go see the 3 wild goat for young kid.
But then over there see him.
And one of the day me come down, me and Buddha said tell over him go and see the goat them over part, will they go?
Yeah.
I want to catch him.
Oh, okay.
Me and Buddha go up there. I can't find him. And we go up the hill, the dog will find him up the hill. And when we go up there, he said to him, come down back, left him up there, come down back, you know. We grab him 12 with our hand, about 2 fingers as well.
Yeah.
Couldn't take the pressure and get away.
Jeez,
and the dog them take him. Well, one next one me have there, and one mother got me catch them 2 there.
Yeah.
And we come down hill and go down one piece of rock there.
Yeah.
We shake off the dog, one of the dogs drop off of the rock.
Jeez,
right down the other side.
mash up.
Yeah, man. And when last Wednesday when we go over there, we go see 2 drunk up on the rock. And we go see that in the water, I have to just take him out. Well, a Friday, and then we'll go back over there.
Yeah.
And we go over there Friday morning, I'm seeing in the side of the goat where my mother go to me tie.
Yeah.
So I lose the goat now and the goat turn on the hill, 2 of them turn on the hill. So when come in and I take the road, so it start lead the goat and it comes so till you know for no more. So I just tie the goat.
Yeah.
And come down. And go out to one of married dog.
And
come up back at me and then till. And go there go see some side that goat. That's what we go for cat and see him jump down at the bottom side.
Jeez.
And if you catch him,
yeah.
then take him. And turn down the hill and I say, yes, I don't know want you go.
Yeah, man.
Go down right on.
Wild seeing here, real hills goat, you know, man. Man, boy, you look firm, man.
Yeah, man.
Man. And then curl.
Yeah, suppose that I don't want it to be.
Yeah. Which is right. A firm goat, man.
Man, journey and never go down.
G? Why while till while I ask him what's the matter? Well, man, my. Yeah, man, hills nine fully. Look at that, man. Real hills boy, you know. Yeah, man. Not used to see people, you know. So I'm always go keep Gigi. Right now I'm fit in a Vernal. Something. Why? They look good. Now smell ring. So this is the black, you know. Good old Jamaican Dutch, you know. Yeah, man. Chef up all of the necessaries. Yes, man. Create a run a corner. Let me show you inside of the block. Yeah, man, nice. See there? You don't even miss yard. Comfortable, you know? Yeah, man. Nice and easy. It's a blessing. Whew. Yeah, man. Camp there. Real camp life. So, time to come. I'm gonna come here. Come show y'all the full energy. Yeah, man. Sleep over and everything. Yeah, man. I show them what I got, man. But this is how I do it naturally, you know. Just this phone me use for YouTube. So, yeah, man. I don't have no other gadgets. So from time to time, I constantly have to delete just to get space, and you know it go. It rough, but one love, man. Can't stop putting the work. Alright. Which bike right there? That side?
Yes.
Alright.
Go, sir.
Yeah, man. Take yeah. One thing the mosquito them burn, huh? They duff. They enough your foot. Alright. I grow on the carrot bed. Yeah, man. Nice and easy, you know? My Vernal. I let me come up and I not left. I left. I just, there's something I want to sort out right now, no? Alright. You see, if I have a rechargeable, like a solar charger, or I can charge up my stuff for them. Yeah, man, and I have a better camera. I know say, yo, I'm not going to run out of charge so easy. And I can get 2 solar light. Yeah, man, rechargeable light. I'm grateful for that. Yeah, man, because if I have that, I know say, yo, I have light up so straight. I don't live as a Vernal. Man, the place is pretty, man. Jesus, look at that. Young carrot shoots. I push up. Here, man, red peas. Man, it's a blessing. And this is potato, cassava. Which one of them this?
Sweet.
Oh, okay. And me get the white one I eat like yam, you know. Yeah, man, me get it down here last time.
You have different type of sweet cassava.
But my virgin say, I don't get it from them beans, say. Go bite. So, you know, give me a shoot and I set it and it gets a fire. Yeah, man, bees there, that?
Yeah.
What? You did them? Man. Good something for your funny farm still, you know, but boy. For me, and rough to deal with, brother. Yes, son. You see, me have my veil and everything.
Yeah.
Me go in at them. My man. Gee.
Stacy.
That part.
Yeah.
Man, Verna, look how you place pretty, man.
I'm telling you, man.
Cheese and pea. Yo. I love the effort what the Empress put in. Yeah, man. And so most of the young ladies then get up and get about and do the right thing. This belongs to a family member, a friend, a community member. Yeah, man. Motivational woman, you know. Strong black woman. Stacy, big up yourself in the Empress. One love, one heart. Every time. Yes, man. Yo.
Capture all them plow and over on the other side of wood.
Me tell you, man, see all on rainbow, they tough it off. As I tell you from before, you know, at every end of every rainbow there is a pot of gold. Yeah, man, so you have to just dig feet, you know. Look at that. Wow. Time to come, you all would be seeing this every day. Yeah, man, because I come a bush, come live, you know. I don't know about nobody else, but who want to come with me? Call me. Yeah, man, this is it, you know. Real yard life. Can't get no better than this. Yeah, man, and Vernal are the man you have to give thanks to for put in the work, you know. Yeah, man, Jaja work. So we get, I don't know if y'all can see it, we get a little mist of rain. Yeah, man, that's how we get the rainbow around this. See it there? Blessings every time. Walk good.